Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a raspberry blackberry smoothie. These are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of frozen raspberries and blackberries, 1 cup of fresh slice cut bananas, 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon of orange juice, and 1/3 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 single strawberry. You might think this sounds stupid, but trust me, it's completely necessary. First, you're going to want to take your milk and put it in. Then you're going to want to put your Greek yogurt in. Then you're going to want to put your fresh cut bananas. Then you're going to want to put your frozen blackberries and raspberries. In the blender. Then we only have 2 more ingredients. You're going to want to get your orange juice and carefully put it in. Then you're going to want to get your single strawberry and just put it to the side for now. We put that in last. We're going to put our lid on. And now we're going to blend. And then guys, once it gets to about like this, not fully blended, but mostly, we're going to take the lid off and add our single strawberry. And trust me, this is completely necessary. It just gives it a little kick of flavor, and it tastes a little bit better with the strawberry. There we go. Now we're going to put our lid back on and blend it till it's all mixed up. Then pour in a cup and enjoy!